In this class, we will have a detailed understanding on selection structures. What does that mean is, we will understand how to think about selection structures. Now for that, what I have done is, I have taken this example, this tabular form as an example. First, we will understand what this tabular form is meant for. So whatever the marks that are obtained by the student, based upon those marks, we have to allocate the corresponding grade. Now what we have to write is, I want you to pause this video for a while and convert this tabular form into a problem statement, into a sentence, into a problem statement. So how to start that? That I'll give the hint about the starting point of the problem statement. The remaining part you have to write. So the hint is, write a program to convert the marks obtained by a student into corresponding grades. The details about the marks obtained and the corresponding grades are provided as shown below. So now you have to convert the actual marks into the grades. For that, we have to convert this table into a sentence. So pause this video for a while and try to take 5 to 10 minutes of your time and try to write that sentence completely. So pause this video for a while. I'll just read out the problem statement that I have written. So the problem statement is as follows. Write a program to convert the marks obtained by a student into grades. The details about the marks obtained and the grades to be allocated are as follows. If the marks obtained are greater than or equal to 90, then allocate A plus grade. Or if the marks obtained by if the marks obtained are between 80 and 89, then allocate A grade. Or if the marks obtained are between 75 and 79, then allocate B grade. Or if the marks obtained are less than 75, then allocate C grade. So this is how we have converted the given tabular form, the problem in the tabular form, into sentences. Now what is that we are going to understand? How we have to understand the concept of selection structures by using this statement. So here all you need to understand is, we are having multiple number of choices, and among those choices we are intelligently making a decision. So what is the decision that we are making? That intelligent decision is, we are going to choose one option from the multiple choices that are available. So that is what we said. So your programming language, with the concept of selection structures, your programming language is going to have the ability to intelligently think, to make decisions. So that is what we have discussed in our previous video, and we are experiencing that in this video. So how to think intelligently and make a decision based upon the choices that are available. So that ability we are going to obtain by the concepts of selection structures. So that's it for this video. We will catch up with the first very important selection structure, which is if-else selection structure, in our next video. So that's it for this video. See you in the next class.